everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take some sheets and then attach it in a manner as it is shown in the video. Now with the help of a marker, start making the branches out of it. Now take some circular sheets and then attach it all together in the manner. Now open it and attach it on the sheets. Make some lines and then attach another sheet. Now make some cute little clouds and then make some smiley faces all over it. It's done. This one, take a sheet and then attach it all together as shown in the video in a manner, and then attach some circular sheets. Now take some small circular sheets and then attach it and make some lines with the help of a marker. It's done. For the next one, take some circular sheets and then make the cones out of it. Now attach the cones in a circular way and then attach it. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then attach it all together and then attach some colorful sheets all over it. Now take some paper cup and then cut it into half and do it as shown in the video very nicely and gently and then attach it. It's all done. It is cute, right? For the next one in the video, take a cup and start making the small circles out of it with the help of it. Now start making the lines all over it and color it according to you. Now make a tissue and then make the small dots out of it as shown in the video and then bring it all together, attach it. It's done. For the next one in the video, start making the lines with the help of a sketch pen or the marker. Now start making the small dots as the leaves as shown in the video. Now take a tissue, cut it into half and make the small balls out of it and then attach it with the help of a glue to the sticks we have made earlier and then color it with the help of a different highlighter. Now repeat the process and then it will look like this. Now take another tissue, make a roll out of it and it's done. For the next one in the video, take a brush and start making the circular paintings out of it and then do it as shown in the video with the help of a marker. Now take another sheet and attach it. For the next one, take the brush and start making the rolls out of it and then do it as shown in the video. Make lines out of it very nicely and some leaves. Now take a cup, cut it into half and then stick it and it's done. Thanks for watching.